Main PrimeXBT features. Copy trading. Copy trading is the act of following somebody else's trading activity with the hopes of succeeding when they do. How can you do copy trading on PrimeXBT? Simply register on the platform. Then access the Covesting tab. Here, in the Rating tab, you will find hundreds of trading strategies provided by other traders. You can automatically copy them by clicking follow on the chosen strategy and, if the strategy is successful, enjoy the same returns as the most profitable traders. You can use the filter icon to find the strategies that best suit your desired risk and reward ratio. It's good to filter for strategies that have been active for 60 to 90 days and show a smoothly rising performance curve with a low drawdown ratio. Keep in mind that users can copy the amount of money they invest from the strategy they follow, or use an option to invest a fraction. You can find more information about each strategy by clicking on it. Gain followers with Covesting strategies. Another exciting and new feature that you can find is trading and gaining from your following. Every trader on the platform can earn additionally from their followers if they gain a following and perform successful trades. The more followers, the more money you can add to your profits. Just go to My Strategies tab and click on Open New Strategy. Lead on and see how much you can earn additionally from the profitable trades you do. Covesting yield accounts. Covesting also has yield accounts. Covesting yield accounts do all the hard work of searching for staking opportunities so you don't have to. They allow crypto users to earn interest on their tokens, as they can connect to several decentralized financial yield-generating applications with the highest possible returns.